I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by verifying access and connecting both data sources inside Looker. First, ensure your role allows creating explores and that models are accessible. Next, add the two explores or SQL sources you plan to blend and validate column types. Once done, pick reliable join keys, primary keys or surrogate ID, because mismatched data types or null-heavy keys will break the blend. Make sure naming is clear so you can map fields without guesswork. This sets the blend up for success. You now construct the blended explore by merging the chosen explores on your validated join keys. Start by selecting dimensions and measures from each source, preferring aggregated metrics to avoid row multiplication. Then choose an appropriate join type. Left keeps primary rows, inner enforces matches, full preserves all rows, because join choice affects totals and nulls. Once the merge is defined, preview results and adjust field mappings or aggregation if counts look off, and label blended fields so downstream users understand origin. Finish by validating blended results against original source queries and totals. This confirms the merge preserved intended logic. Next, build a quick visualization to surface unexpected nulls or duplicated rows, and apply filters or sample rows to isolate anomalies. If numbers disagree, check join conditions, data type casts, null handling rules, and whether aggregations occur before or after the blend. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily switch join type to inner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.